Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how using ContextQA you can automatically generate the web performance report using the same functional test you automated using ContextQA. So first we will take a look at the test case, end-to-end test case we automated. So here we are taking example of MGM resorts where this is an end-to-end test case of reserving the hotel from the selecting the dates, selecting the hotel, and through the like completely checkout process. So once you have created all these test case from end to end checkout process, you will be able to go ahead and run it. Once you run it, it will show you this kind of recording to you, and you will be able to find full trace. Now if you want to generate the web performance report, if you click on web performance report over here, it will generate a report like this. And the beauty of this is it will generate for end-to-end test case, not for a single page, but all the pages. And it will provide the report for the performance testing, accessibility testing, SEO score, and more. So this is more useful for the e-commerce applications or healthcare applications where accessibility is important. SEO score is important for the all the B2C based websites. So please check out this feature and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how create one-time created a functional testing or API testing use case or end-to-end test case can be used to create a load testing report. Earlier, you had to use different scripting tool or different tools at all to generate such reports separately. But with context here, you do not have to do anything extra. Whatever you have created or automated using ContextQA, you can use the same to generate the web performance testing report, dynamic application security testing report, as well as the load testing report. So once you have created this test case, you click on load testing report. It will process and generate a report for you. So currently this report is being generated for 10 users, but you can have an option to customize it, and it will provide the full-fledged report to you about all the steps that is happening into the in that particular use case. Over here, if you see, this is the URL that we are hitting, and it will go through all the processes. So please check out this feature and let us know if you have any other questions. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how Context QA uses the same functional test you automated, either a functional test or API test, and you can generate the DAS report. DAS stands for the Dynamic Application Security Testing. It applies on the all the web traffic that is happening during the execution of the particular test cases in this context. So here we are going to take a look at the example of MGM resorts where we have captured one use case end to end of entire hotel booking and reservation use case, where all the steps are added here of the booking, and we also have the credit card information over here for the transaction and payment. Once you go in through this one, you can run and validate that it's working fine, and you will be able to see it here that it worked fine. Once you do that, you can just click on DAS report, and ContextQA will go through the entire use case and generate a full-fledged report for you. So here is the sample of the report. It looks like that it will provide you the summary of all the risk levels like high, medium, and low, and provide the number of alerts, as well as subcategorize into the OWASP categories, so you can go and take a further look. This will provide you the full report like you are seeing over here. Like it is a huge test case, so it will provide the full report because it has so many transactions. So please take a look, let us know if you have any questions. Thank you. Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at how ContextQA can help your developers and testers. It will make your testers more efficient. At the same time, it will help your developers to be more productive. So here your testers can create, or developers can create, end-to-end test case which they need to test continuously. So once they test it, it will automatically generate the screenshots for your reference, so anyone can go through it and read through the step-by-step information. Once you do it, you can click on run history. So when you click on the run history, it will provide you the like a history of execution, and it will provide you the like a video and trace. So this trace will be very helpful for your team to go back and forth and to understand what's going on here. Once your testers provides these evidences along with all these details about what are the console logs, what are the network logs your particular use case have, this will help your developers to understand what is going on. It will also provide any visual regressions happening over the time, so it will help front end developers what is going on. And it will also provide full network details, step by step information, so debugging can be much more easier. And if there is an error, and if you click on result, it will automatically generate the root cause analysis of the error. So these are the few details that consistently, if tester provides to your developer, it will make conversation very easy. It will not require continuous Zoom call. Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at how ContextQA can help you to achieve in-sprint automation. You might be starting a new project, or you are not ready for the automation. Still, I would prefer you to use the ContextQA. So let's see, if you are starting a new use case or new project. So you need to create a one test case anyways in Jira. So if you create in ContextQA, you will be able to achieve in sprint automation, and I will show you how. So you can say that login test case for Orange HRM, a standard website, and you can add the label whichever you want to add, and just add create. Now if you are writing test cases in Jira, you are writing in plain English, so same things you need to do over here. You can use context QA's templates, as well as you can use the AI capabilities, like as I was showing over here. So you can copy and paste your steps written here. But rather than writing in Jira, Confluence document, or Excel spreadsheet, you should write over here in context QA. So you can say that click on um, username. So this might not be the right placeholder or anything, and that's completely fine. You just add a placeholder and write the steps you are doing, but it will expedite your test case automation whenever you are ready. And you can say that, okay, this is enter, and you want to enter the value, and you want to enter admin into the field of username, right? So these are the steps you anyways writing in Jira or Excel, so you should write here. Once you are ready, and if it is not ready, the screen is not ready to test completely, and if you want to still perform testing, you can just click on run manually, and it will open up the manual execution screen for you. So you can go to the each screen, pass fail, right, change, add comments, comment here, and you can update it here. And same you can do for all the steps, or you can do for entire test case. So what it will help is, until your screen is ready from your developer, you can still perform test, write actual result, expected results criteria. So it will be very easy whenever you are ready. So now you added everything over here. So once your test screen is ready, you can go to the particular steps and update the values if it needs to be. If everything is good, you just click on run button. At this point, you already automated 60, 70, or 80% of your test case using context QA. So at the end of the sprint, it will be very easy for you to automate entire test case. And once it is done, it will provide you the like execution history like this one, and it will show what is going on over here. Also, you will be able to find this test case, right, how you executed. It will also tell you the like it is executed manually. So yeah, so this is the benefit of using context QA. Yes, and the same test case can be linked with Jira. So if you click on Jira, you can click here, and you can add all the information. These steps will be automatically added to the Jira. So once you click on save button, it will tell all the information that you needed, and now this test case will be visible in Jira. So let's take a look at. So here you can see the context QA section showing up over here, and here it is also showing you the what is the test coverage look like based on the labels. It provides you the, like, you can link this particular use case with the particular requirements, as well as it will provide you the full details of what are the other test cases you have created so far. It will show all the 3 steps that you just created over here, and it will provide any execution history. So now you not only added the particular test case into the context QA, but you provide the full visibility of your manual test execution as well as automation. So whoever is managing your team can clearly see it, how everything is looking in terms of the test coverage wise, execution history and all. So it will allow not only the in-sprint test automation, but increase the visibility and traceability of your test cases. Please try and let us know your feedbacks. Thank you.